Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, today's date is 8th October 2024. We all know our MST iCore 2.0 is performing very well in all the market. Not only in the morning session, also it is working well in all the sessions. For example, if you are going for an office, you cannot trade in the morning at 9:15 a.m. when the market is open. For those people we are exclusively have added one features, and that feature is called as known market for office going people. So I will explain you how to add our indicator to the chart and how to enable the system for default session as well as for the lunch session, that is for office going people or for the next session. So first thing you have to do is go to the indicator settings and select the invite only option, this option. So I have released many indicators, many version depending on the people capacity. Whenever I give one update, it has to reflect for all the people. But sometimes what happens, some people not able to understand my update. I am not doing any changes in the basic concept. I am not changing any changes in the basic concept. Always the basic concept remains the same. See, in the morning session I have shown already sell activated and all the targets hit. I will once again go here. I will do reset settings. Since I am trading in Bank Nifty, I will enable tiny to stop loss and tiny to target. Since sell activated, I will go and select the sell targets. I will remove the first buy entry. That's all, nothing else you have to add. If you want, you can enable extra target only if you want. Otherwise, no need to change anything. Okay. Now you see what happened. Sell activated at 50,970. I will just zoom and show you so that you will understand better. 50,970 and stop loss was the top second line. 50,000, 51,028. You can see the high made. What is the high made? 51,025 only. Our stop loss 51,028. So we are escaped by 3 points. But I have taught you one important thing. See here 50,971 at 946 itself we got the sell entry and immediately our target hit. Here. This is the second entry. Don't forget, this is the second entry. In second entry also our stop loss was safe, and after that all the targets hit. Usually we give only 3 targets. The fourth target also is hit now. Okay. Now coming to this part. These candles are having more volume. These candles are having more volumes in each candle. See, I have kept only 1 minute time frame only, but look at the size of the candle. So it is clearly indicating that it is a bull market. For the bearish market to start, see here, look at the candles. The power of the candle should be reduced. So here only the power of the candle is reduced at 952. So in the next candle, if we take the entry, then we may see drastic fall. If you don't know how to analyze all these things, don't forget everything. Just keep in default settings and trade. That's all. So here sell activated 946, 947 target hit. Once again sell activated, target hit. So now if you want to trade in known market, go to the settings, select the known market. Also reduce the stop loss, reduce the target. That's all. Nothing else I am doing. Okay. So now you see, this is today's market, 8th October. What happened? Here sell activated, first target given. Once again sell activated, all the targets given. How you are saying, sir, all the targets given? Go to the settings. Here click. Since sell activated, remove the buy, enable the sell. That's all. If you want, you can enable one extra target. only if you want, otherwise no compulsory. See here, cell activated, first target hit, again cell activated, first target hit, second target hit. Ready? Yeah. This also we can consider, because we are going to take the here it is a put option, no? Put option premium only. So whenever it is going nearby and we are finding the candle's body is reduced, that is its strength has been reduced, we can go for the sell entry, that is put option buy. So here itself our sell entry got activated, target hit, once again activated, target hit, once again activated, target hit. Okay, now the third target is approaching. Third target is 50,994. 50,994. Now before we finish the video, the target will come. The low made 51,015. So around just 20 points left. So that also we will be getting very soon. So that's all. This is our concept. In every market, in all the time frame, it will be working. If you want to make a decent profit, you don't have any option. Immediately you have to subscribe to our indicator and you will be getting a consistent profit. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.